the task is to check your daily fridge and freezer temperature check. So what I would do is there's a whole section here the chefs fill in the morning and then again in the evening. You need to make sure that they've been filled in correctly and that all the fridges that are numbered, all fridges should be numbered, all freezers should be numbered, and that should coincide with the fridge check. If you discover there's a variance in the fridge temperature, you need to investigate to see whether the fridge is actually in need of repair or the vents need cleaning out. So I know this is fridge number 1, which is fish only. The temperature I know is 1 degree, which is appropriate. Fridges need to be 5 degrees or less. This is totally appropriate for a fish freezer to be fish to be 1 degree. I'll also open the door just to check that the layout is correct. So I've got cooked crayfish at the top, I've got smoked salmon at the top, which is cured, which is also classed as a cooked item, and then I've got raw products underneath. I've checked that the date label is correct, so the expiry date on this is the 17th of the 1st, which I'm happy with. I've had a quick look at the seals as well too. I'm happy that the fridge is clean, and I'm satisfied that that fridge is in good condition, the product is safe to eat. Again, I've got fridge number 2, which is noted in the corner, which is a raw meat fridge. In here should only be raw meat. I will check I'll visually check the fridge seals to make sure that they're intact. The temperature at the bottom is 1 degree, which I'm happy with. I will now spot check product items. So I'll check the use by date of the bacon. I will go to the packs that are on the bottom just to make sure that stock rotation is happening. If I find something out of date or past use by date or removed from the fridge, I'll make a note and I'll inform the kitchen straight away that they've got food in there that's past their use by date. I'll also inspect the cleanliness of the fridge. I've got marinated chicken in here, which is a raw product, which is stored correctly. Everything's in date. The stock holding is at an appropriate level.